How much money can you make in the Amazon Influencer Program, and is it still worthwhile in 2024? I got an interesting comment and we're gonna talk about it.
I can't wait.
Okay, so I got a comment from Michelle Lee 1328. The movie clips are hysterical, LOL, great video. Another immature person.
What did he call me?
I just think it's hilarious to pretend like I'm the audience for a second and to put in a clip that the audience might be thinking or the audience that's watching my videos might say. That's kind of what I'm trying to do. It doesn't always work out that way, but I think it's funny too. Thank you so much for appreciating my immature sense of humor.
I appreciate you.
I see this video was posted 10 months ago and they're talking about my free Amazon influencer course. I'd love to know how much you're making doing the Amazon influencer program now. I'm thinking of doing it. Thank you, and what a very great question, because in 10 months in the world of side hustles, things can change dramatically. So let's just first talk about the first part of that. How much am I making? Well, on my main channel, I do monthly reports every single month to show you exactly what I'm making. Sometimes I do individual reports just on the Amazon Influencer Program, for example, or I'll do how much money I made overall, and I'll tell you how much of that came from Amazon. So if you watch my channel over there, you're gonna see exactly how much I'm making. This month, I'm making between $2,500 and $3,000 in the Amazon Influencer Program alone, and I have really not been focusing on it the last few months. I've been slacking and only doing about 10 or so reviews a month, where there were some months that I did over 100 reviews last year.
You lazy jerk!
So yes, you can still make money from it. I am making darn near a full-time income from the Amazon Influencer Program still to this day, and I'll have a full report coming up at the beginning of next month on that on my main channel. So yes, you can still make money. Yes, I am still making money. Yes, 2024 is still a great time to get involved in this program. And if you ever want to know about how much other people are making, I think a kind of mid-level number might be 10 cents per video per day.
I hate math.
So maybe that's something that you can shoot for. Now, earlier on in the program, there were some days where I was making 50 cents for every video review that I had on my Amazon storefront per day. So I was raking it in last year. This year it went way down. I think my lowest month was like 13 cents, maybe even lower. So let's just say 10 cents. 10 cents per video per day. So if you're looking to get into the Amazon Influencer Program this year, that might be a realistic or really good goal to have. Every single one of the reviews that you do and put onto your storefront, that could potentially make you an extra 10 cents per day.
How much is that?
So if you go to Amazon and you click on any product, this is just a Amazon Basics microfiber cleaning cloth, and you click on the videos, and you can see there are related videos for this product. These are mainly influencers, and you can be sure you know that. If you click on it and it says underneath their name earns commission, then they're definitely an influencer. You can click on their profile here and go over to theirs. Let's pick on poor Catherine here. Catherine has 562 posts. So again, maybe at 10 cents per post per day, this person, Catherine, may be making about $56 a day by doing Amazon product reviews. So $56 a day times 30 days in a month, that might be an extra $1,680. Now, obviously this is just fun math.
This isn't fun.
This is completely different for everybody. I'm just trying to give you some possible examples based on my own numbers and my own experience on what people might be making even in the year 2024 in this program. So thank you so much for your support. If you want to watch the main channel, I'll have a bunch more stuff over there. And if you're really into all these comments I'm getting and you want to see a little bit more information, tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be doing lots of these little videos here on this channel. And if you like this sort of stuff, then I'd be happy to have you, and I really appreciate you watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
You'll never see me again.